Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2. In this continuation, we'll go even deeper and help you learn the next steps in a simple and clear way. Traditional Bahian moqueca uses dende oil, which has a deep orange color and strong aroma. If you cannot find it, use a mix of olive oil and a little paprika to bring color and a soft smokiness that supports the other flavors. How to make Brazilian moqueca step by step, beginner friendly. Choose the right fish and prep your simple marinade. Start with firm, mild fish. Cod, snapper, halibut, and tilapia all work well. They stay tender without falling apart. Cut the fish into large chunks, about 2 inches wide. Pat them dry with paper towels so the marinade sticks. In a bowl, mix salt, black pepper, minced garlic, lime juice, and a drizzle of olive oil. Gently coat the fish with this mixture. Let the fish rest in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. This short soak seasons the flesh and adds a gentle tang, but it is not so long that the acid turns the fish mushy. Build flavor with onions, peppers, and a gentle simmer. While the fish marinates, start the base of the stew. In a wide pot, warm a spoonful of oil over medium heat. Add sliced onions and bell peppers, then cook until they soften and start to turn sweet. Toss in chopped garlic and stir for another minute so it smells fragrant but does not burn. Add diced tomatoes, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and paprika. If you enjoy a bit of spice, add a small pinch of chili flakes. Stir and let this mixture cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes break down into a thick sauce. Now nestle the marinated fish pieces into the vegetable mixture in a single layer, if possible. Pour in coconut milk around the fish, tilting the pot a bit so the liquid spreads evenly. The fish should be mostly covered, but you still want vegetables peeking through the top. Bring the pot just to a gentle simmer, then lower the heat. You want soft bubbles, not a rolling boil. Cook like this for about 10 to 15 minutes. The fish is ready when it flakes easily with a fork and turns opaque all the way through. Finishing touches and how to serve moqueca like in Brazil. To finish, sprinkle chopped cilantro over the top and squeeze in a bit more lime juice. Taste the broth. Add a little more salt if it tastes flat or more lime if it feels too heavy. If you have dende oil, drizzle a small amount over the surface at the end. It adds a deep color and a complex aroma. A little goes a long way. Serve moqueca hot with plain white rice, which soaks up the sauce. Some Brazilian homes also serve it with farofa, toasted cassava flour that adds a nutty crunch, or with crusty bread for dunking. A final sprinkle of cilantro or sliced green onion on top makes the bowl look fresh and bright. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.